Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily order with the Chick-fil-A app. This is very easy. First go to a Play Store, then search for this app. Then you'll see when you download this app, it will ask you your email and password and your username, whatever. Then when you create the account, open the account. Alright, so when you open the account, it will become something like this. Alright, so right now I'm in an app. Alright, so what you have to do is you have to click on a find restaurant. Alright, now you have to do is you have to search for a restaurant you wanna do an order with. Alright, when you select a restaurant, alright, so after this you can select where what you gonna drive through. Alright, so you can choose whatever you want. I'm gonna go with the middle one. Alright, so now you can see breakfast meals, build your own family meals, everything is here. You can see bunch of burgers in different varieties. Alright, so you can see side meals too. And after you want fries and potatoes, whatever you want to buy. Alright, you can see soft drinks. There are a bunch of soft drinks, tequilas, orders, treats. Alright, so this is my order. What I'm gonna do is click on order. Alright, so now you can see my order is added. So thanks for watching my YouTube video. For more, like and comment and subscribe my YouTube channel.